at US 2.3 trillion, not including banking. Research by the World Halal Forum Secretariat found that 67%, or $1.4 trillion of this market is comprised of food and beverage. Pharmaceuticals make up 22%, or $506 billion, with cosmetics and personal care totaling $230 billion. If we include the services sector for halal, and we should give this serious consideration, the potential size of the total market is indeed astronomical. This is the mark of the economy in its infancy, however, and with concerted effort, we can nurture it to become a thriving, robust economy. From Malaysia's leadership, we must move towards the bigger picture and not just focus on sectoral issues. The Muslim world should collaborate to act and think beyond conventional frameworks and wisdom. Muslim nations should unite to form new economic thinking and models. And I urge all parties to merge individual silos to strengthen our economies for the benefit of the Ummah. For this, the Malaysian government continues to pledge Malaysia's support wherever is needed and sought.